Now let's move on to Sennheiser's headphones. Noise cancellation. Now this is a very important category. What Sennheiser is doing, of course, is noise cancellation for over the year. But even the pods that we started using nowadays, those also have noise cancellation because it's becoming a critical feature for people to actually base their buying criteria on. But Sennheiser's done something else that is important in noise cancellation, and that's taken the price down. Remember, Sennheiser makes top-of-the-line products, always known for audio quality. But at 15,000 rupees, how do these noise cancellation headphones actually fare? Let's take a look.
We cannot tire of reviewing headphones on the show, from being perfect workout partners to getting us through the lockdown. If there's a time to invest in a good pair of headphones, it is now. And after reviewing the lofty Sennheiser Momentum 3 on the show recently, we thought let's climb down the price ladder this time and show you a pair of headphones that won't burn a big hole in your pocket. Meet the Sennheiser HD450BT. The name is a slight mouthful, but these babies from the Sennheiser brand have the potential to take the crown from some of the big-ticket models in the market right now. Priced at a breezy 14,990 rupees, let's take a detailed look at these headphones. First, for everything that comes in the box. Of course, there's the HD450BT wireless headphones, there's an audio cable for a wired support as well, there's a USB-C charging cable, a quick guide, a safety guide, and the most useful of the lot, a carry case. The 450BT are easy to fold up like this and can be put in the case. It is pretty portable in that sense, and it can be stored away easily whenever not in use. In terms of design, they're not over the top big and they fit well over the years. The padding is soft and it won't hurt wearing them for long hours. It comes in a white and black color. We got this white one for review, which comes with silver grey ear cushions. They look pretty good overall and are made of plastic with a matte finish. And for the price they come at, we couldn't expect a more luxurious finish. We wore them around and found them to fit pretty comfortably. Sennheiser claims an ergonomic fit, and that's what these deliver. They feel light as well, and there's no clamping sensation with these on. Now for the features the HD450BT pack in. Well, there's quite a bit going by all the controls on the right cup. There's a switch on or off button, a 3.5mm jack for wired support, a Type-C charging port, there are volume controls, a play-pause button, and there's a dedicated voice assistant button too. The headphones support up to Bluetooth 5.0, and connecting them was really quick. The controls do take some getting used to on the cup since there's so many buttons. The play-pause button can also be used to take calls, although the person on the other side did complain of a slightly muffled sound in our review. But how do these cans really sound? Do they do the job of more premium headphones? Well, we'd say yes and no. Yes, the sound from this is pretty great. It has a deep dynamic bass and low frequencies in songs were pretty crisp to listen to. We even tried some foot tapping music which handled the dynamic range pretty well. But the 450BT cannot be compared to the Momentum 3 in terms of performance, which comes with a far more open sound and great noise cancellation. There is active noise cancellation on these headphones. The on or off button has to be tapped once to turn it on. It did tune out the environment around us when we tried it, and it's impressive to see this feature on a mid-range can like this. The Sennheiser Smart Control app gives additional controls like tuning the equalizer, checking on the battery status, and even a special podcast mode that enhances the audio of speech content. The voice assistant feature is handy if you get your finger on the right button at one go. But once that is done, Siri or Google Assistant can hear you pretty clearly. And now for the battery in these. This is where the HD450BT really impressed us. Sennheiser claims 30 hours on a single charge, and we have to say these managed to stay afloat for around that. Charging these headphones is pretty quick too. All in all, Sennheiser has reminded us with the HD450BT that you can spend a lot less and still get a lot more. The sound is well balanced and the battery life does well for travel use. The noise cancellation is not all that impressive, but if you are looking at a cheaper alternative to the likes of the Momentum 3, then these at 14,990 rupees are your best bet.